Downstairs is a complete disaster because I am getting ready to redo their toy organization downstairs. I do have 2 toddlers, 2 little boys. They have too many toys, but let's just go on past that. We're gonna get them organized today. I'm gonna go through them. I wanted to bring you guys along, hoping that this would bring you some motivation, maybe take your mind off current events right now. So let's clean up together. First, we've got to carry everything downstairs.
Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you see. Sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day.
There is something we need. It's a leap of faith, a step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run standing on your knees? It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening with something you don't know. You need a little enlightening. It'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, it's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, if you have the will.
I have went through all their toys they have out, and I have put in one bin outdoor toys like Nerf guns, things that they need to play with outside, as well as a laundry basket filled with all Play-Doh accessories. I put all their Play-Doh accessories in a little laundry basket, and I'm going to set all that stuff in our outdoor area because I would prefer if they play with Play-Doh outside because it is a mess. I started out by moving more shelves into their toy closet, and I am organizing into bins and cubes only the stuff that they really like to play with. That's all that's going in here. Everything else I'm going to pack into a tote and put it out in the garage, and that way I could switch out toys. If they start getting tired of some of this stuff, I can switch it out with the stuff that's been in the garage, and it'll be like new toys for them.
I just have to put my feet back on the ground, and you will come back. Oh my God, it's you again. Once we were more than friends. Darling, how you been? I missed your smile. I know you're leaving here with question marks, and I will start all over here without you. But something right could be so wrong. I carry on, 'cause I know I have to let you go again. I know it's bad to take a leap into my world of fantasies, but we will make it all the way somehow. But I know now when I wake up, I just have to put my feet back on the ground, and you will come back. Oh my God, it's you again. Once we were more than friends. Darling, how you been?
When you first walk into their toy closet, on the left you have their little broom set here. They love to play with that. And their little puppy right here. Then you have their kitchen and their couch.
To play with this. It's too hard.
Is it too hard?
I can this.
Then this little shelf, not bench, shelf. This drum came from Disney, as did these, and they're just little things that they got. I put all their little Lego people in this chest. It fit perfect. Down here's all of their kitchen stuff, and then down there's a basketball.
Then this.
Over here, when you walk on in, there's one outlet over here that my husband put in when we finished this part of the house. So I ran an extension cord, but it wasn't long enough. I really want the lamp to be on this shelf to where they'll have more light back here in the corner. You're welcome, baby. So when my husband gets home, I'm gonna have him find me another extension cord. And then on this shelf, I have their houses sitting all the way around. And then right here, I have empty cubbies that we'll be able to set stuff in. Here's all of their Toy Story figures. Here are wooden blocks. Here is their robots. And their, no, you don't have to get the stuff out, baby. And the doctor kit.
I got to show them what them do.
No, you don't have to show them right now. Okay, come here. Watch out so I can get by. In this corner, I put the horsey. They love the horsey. And then this one has all that gun doesn't go there, but has all the people and furniture and stuff for this play set. Yeah, and the puppy.
This. That's to get the model. This
No.
to get the model.
No, that's the puppy dog's food and water. That's what it eats and drinks.
And this.
And then down here,
This is child.
this is all their tools. Scoot on over, okay? Let Mama get by. Okay, and then here is just kind of some random things. This is their raisins, and then down here are their PJ Masks toys, along with some like other little things that they like to play with.
Here, a puppy. Woof, 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 woof,
This
woof.
little gummy puppy, they love it. I've been trying to find more of them because we just have one. And when you just have one of something and you have two toddlers, there's lots of fights. Okay, then here is all of their Marvel and Star Wars figures, their little lightsaber. Over here are their plastic blocks, their regular plastic blocks, and then magnetic blocks. Up here, I just put their two tablets that they have, not tablets, laptops. And then moving on around, we've got lightsabers. Right here, I just set their nesting dolls along with that Kylo Ren play set. Football down there. Yeah, I hung your backpacks up there. That storage tote, oh, is it eaten? Has stuffed animals in it. Then over here, we have, Tyler's trying to see, the top one is like their action figures, the big ones. Then here is their chainsaw and like guns and swords. And then down here is their ice cream set, that wooden ice cream set. I got it at an old toy shop in the Great Smoky Mountains, and I absolutely love it. Yep, and then here's your big blocks. They love to play with those blocks. So, turning around and going back out of the toy closet, which now it holds their toys. Like, that's it. Because over here, I am going to take this off because it is dirty. I need to wash it. But I moved those shelves into the toy closet. So now they just have their books. Out here, one side is Leo's, one side is Taylor's, and then they have their piggy banks in the center, and this is their little TV watching area, so they have their chairs. And their big monster trucks are still out here too. I'm actually gonna, I look as tired as I feel, like my hair's a mess. I am not one to get all dolled up and pretty to clean my house. I'm sure you guys would like to see somebody that, you know, looks halfway decent, but I just want to get the job done, and it's done. I'm so glad I'm tired. This piece of hair It's killing me. It's so weird. Something else out, okay? What? There. Went away. Before, guys, this is serious. Listen, okay? Listen. Stop, listen. I'm serious. When you get a toy out, you have to put it away before you get another toy out, okay? So if you're playing with something, put it up before you get another toy out. That way we don't have all your toys out at once. I'm optimistic. And we will see you guys next time. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. We would love for you to be a part of our YouTube family. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.
Yes, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
I will be smiling